Hello, I'm Mir Zafer Hassan, Director, Sethi International. We are the sole distributor of world-renowned UHU and Faber-Castell in Pakistan. UHU is #1 brand in its category and a household product in Pakistan. UHU, a product of superior technology. Its bright yellow color symbolizes warmth, affinity, and friendship. I take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Ali Imran for organizing a summer camp commencing from 1st June till 30th July. It's gonna be a big event, a mega event where they're gonna have debate competition, essay competition, painting competition. Furthermore, they're gonna have a table tennis tournament also, where they're going to have different categories going on. There are going to be girls and boys competition, going to be different age group in that tournament. I'm wishing him all the well in this tournament. Furthermore, we are also participating. UHU is the major sponsor of this event. In this event, we are going, not only financially we're going to help him out, furthermore, we are going our way out and giving them technical information also, because UHU from the very beginning has been working with the educational institution, and we have tons of experience into that. We're gonna provide them all the help, material, everything, because we have a background of a school system. We're gonna have a lot of program going on with the school. We are running UHU Kids Club, which is I think is the first initiative we took at that time. And I remember that my friend and the director of our territory, Mr. Frank Haga, was at that time came up with this idea. He enjoys this idea and he helped us a lot in this venture. When in UHU Kids Club, we have a database of more than 100,000 kids, and we from that platform we initiate newsletter, various competition, and every week we go into every day. Furthermore, I'm telling you that we every day or every week we're going to have stalls going on in the schools. We have going on with the debate competition, various stalls we are putting in. We are sponsoring a scholarship. From the very beginning, Mr. Frank Haga, a friend of mine, a great man, he came up with a lot of help and with a lot of initiative he taken for the Kids Club. And I personally am grateful to him also, and we intermingle with each other, we come up with ideas. Now I think that as Ali Imran is, we have become a team with Ali Imran, I am trying to come up with an idea where we can find, it's going to be a talent hunt for the Pakistan. It's going to be like, we are searching for the real talent, and it's going to be in the field of sports, table tennis, or maybe a debate or something. Somebody writes some essays, or in a painting competition. We're going to have searching for the talent hunt, and I discussed this idea with the director UHU, Mr. Frank Haga, that we come up with some proposal, concrete proposal, to find a talent which we can send, and it's going to be in different categories, and we want to give a message, and we involve German consulate, German embassy into that, and it's going to be a venture which everybody knows. You know that last year, this year also was a very bad year. Economically, we are not viable at this time. This year, the inflation rate has been gone to 38%, and if you add the core inflation the food inflation, it's 49%. And the dollar depreciate like 25% in the Pakistani currency depreciate against dollar 25%. And it is, import has become it's non-viable for us for a couple of years. But I thank my principal, UHU, Germany, who took all the pains and they come out with the novel ideas and they help us out in this venture. They reduce the prices during the COVID. They have reduced the prices by 15%, and I'm grateful to them. And you know that by reducing that kind of prices and the bureaucratic red tape is also going down. It's not easy to import these days. I mean, the cost has been increased manifold. They didn't, our principal didn't increase the prices, they in fact reduced the prices. But nevertheless, the cost of doing business has become so bigger, and there is red tapeism, and there are some some snags, bureaucratic, not only the currency wise, but the bureaucratic hurdles also into that field. That's why the import is so difficult. But we are surviving in our guts. The sales has been decreased, I know that, but nevertheless we are trying very hard because we have worked very hard to achieve whatever we have achieved now. But I don't want to let it go, and I did not visit for a long time. We didn't visit and we didn't intermingle with Mr. Frank Aga, but I tried to contact, get in touch with him and come up with some ideas, because I think I can foresee, you people know that we can, the situation, the economic situation could get better, although it's rather difficult at that time to give the impetus to our sales and to do something to give back something to our children. I will discuss with Mr. Frank Aga in detail about my idea of talent hunt. We're gonna discuss how we can improve because UHU Germany also interested to invest in Pakistan education sector, come up whether it's been sport or something else, but they are interested to give something back to the country, because I know that Mr. Frank Aga has been associated with our country for last 25 years. He has been a regular visit. He in fact visited a lot of schools by himself, and he knows the atmosphere here, and to impetus to pick up the sale, to give boost to our sales and our brand. I want to have this scheme going on, and with the help of Mr. Ali Imran, who is now in fact running an advertising agency. He is sort of a media agency also, and he is running here and there. He knows a lot of school, and he in fact is used to be a table tennis champion of Pakistan. So it's talent hunt. His cooperation is very well needed, and I think that when we discuss this in detail, when I visit, I think we're going to come up with some idea to motivate us, not only at sales, but we should give something back to our students, something back to the country. And I request, this is a request also, to something, our product is an educational product. It's used by the students. So I want something, sort of a break, because we can't import a lot of items. We are just essential item. We are importing the essential item. So I request the concerned quarter to look into the matter and give us some relief, so we can import and do something and do some service to our country. I once again thank you, Mr. Ali Imran, for providing me a platform from where we can argue our point and give the picture what is happening with us. Nevertheless, I'm hopeful that we're going to come back with vigor and now going to give us something, a new sort of a marketing to the country, and now not only the marketing, new marketing, but to provide a platform to the children through the UHU Kids Club to enter into a competition where they can earn a ticket of trip to Germany, sort of a thing, but it's going to take a while to discuss and come up with a strategy. I thank you and beg my goodbye, and I wish you my best wishes, and I will visit your camp also, summer camp. And I must say that you have given a wonderful thing, because because of the inflation in this sultry weather, children, you have provided children something to go and enjoy the time, because they have been in this hot weather. Some of them, most of them, can't afford to go take their children abroad or take their children to some places, travel and take them. So it's give them a sort of a relief, and they're going to go to their summer camp and have a good time. I wish you all the best, and I've been visiting your summer camp regularly. Thank you very much.